back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go. Green flag in the air. Look at here, those 21 that fire. You got Justin Wren, you got that 21 of Nate Jackson. Door handle, coming off of 4. The 11 is still door handle, that 21. Donnie Atkins in that 71. Iceman Donnie Atkins is getting away from the field. T4 Matthew Charvin getting a little loose down there in 1 and 2. You got smoke coming out of 2 car of Al Taylor. Nate Jackson get back to second. Justin Wren fell back to 3rd. You got Keith Payne and Brian Lambert in the 23. Look at the 135 is coming from the rear. .135 is coming from the rear. He's in the top 5. Donnie Atkins, Iceman 71, is got away from the field. I'll try to go pit side. 135 of Travis Jameson's up to 4. Five laps to go. Four laps at distance. Donnie Atkins with a 17.977. 17.969 for the 71. He is the only one in the 17 bracket. One more lap is the distance. Can the Iceman Donnie Atkins look at the 135 of Travis Jameson? Travis Jameson's up to 3rd. Donnie Atkins, Iceman Donnie Atkins in the 71. How about that 21 of Nate Jackson? The 135 and the 11 having a little conversation going on backstretch. How about the Iceman Donnie Atkins in that 71? Here at the 44th Annual Lawrence County Speedway Shrine Race winner in that 71. We are looking for Thunder Bomber Futures on the Speedway. Thunder Bomber Futures on the Speedway. Travis Jameson come from the rear for third. Caution, feet free race.